This is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today we have 2018 Holden Trax, stock number 7316. This ran from the 10th 2016 to the 12th 2020. There's a TJ 1.4 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine, backed by 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a TJ 1.4 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine. Left hand headlight, slight peeling along the top. Left front guard, left front 16-inch factory only mega tyre, left front door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear 16-inch factory only mega tyre, left hand tail light, rear tailgate, right hand tail light, right rear 16-inch factory only mega tyre, right rear right front door no dents, right hand door mirror, right front 16-inch factory only mega tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,